Hey guys, welcome to another episode on MSK Coding. This episode is going to be about repl. repl.it is a website that I regularly program on for some of the programs that I make that I show in videos. So you might be asking, well, how do I even use repl? So if you haven't used it before or don't even know what it is, you can go to repl.it. Then you log in or sign up. I already have an account. And then if you don't, you press sign up, username, email, password, and do all of that. Sign up. So then once you're here, what you'll normally do is you'll create a new REPL. So these are all the languages that it supports. Again, I normally use Python. I just like to play around with these two languages, but Python is the main language. So let's say REPL intro. So now I created the REPL intro. Then it will sort of make a new slash in the web bar. Now it starts up a main.py. You can click the examples button to look at all of this. But the main thing to do is just do the program. So in this case, I'll be printing welcome to repl.it. So now I can run it here by pressing the run button. We have different settings here. The settings that I use is side by side, dark theme, font size normal, and all of this. And you might see that there is a link over here. What does this link mean? Well, you click open a new tab. This link can just open the program. See, it says welcome to repl.it. It would say connection closed abruptly when the program is done. So that's how you can make a program in repl. Then when you click this 3 lines button, we have all of these buttons. Let's go to my repls. And this is where you can see all of my repls that I have done. I can click on them here. One of the things that I did was a percentage calculator one. That was one of the videos that I made, percentage calculator, and I just clicked it and I can run. Give the base number, let's say 250, percentage at the percent sign, 25. 25% of 250 is 62.5. No, that's just a program that I made. Then if you go to home, you can check this. You can explore all the trending repls. You can learn with tutorials. You can look at posts. And that's really it. I hope you like watching this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!